I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. There are several local museums and attractions around Ponca City. The first is the Conoco Museum. Completed in May 2007, the museum's exhibits depict the growth of a Conoco company born from the early days of a kerosene distributor and the wildcat days of the Cherokee Outlet to an international energy empire. There's also the Pioneer Woman Museum in Ponca City, which is dedicated to preserving women's history and showcasing the historical and continued influence of women on the development of Oklahoma and the United States. Another cool museum is the Standing Bear Museum. It's about America's first Native American civil rights leader. It has a museum and an education center. There are also several museums dedicated to a Ponca City area lawyer and Oklahoma oil tycoon named E.W. Marland, who also held a seat of a U.S. House of Representatives. He was also the 10th governor of Oklahoma. Overall, I give Stuteville Ford and Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville Ford in Ponca City, just contact me.